Now the good news, you don't need anything expensive, just simple habits can protect your health. After brushing, rinse your toothbrush properly under running water. Remove all toothpaste and debris. This helps reduce germs. Do not store your toothbrush in a closed container. Instead, keep it upright, let it air dry, and keep it away from the toilet, because where you store it matters. Always close the toilet lid before flushing. It is a simple habit, but it protects your toothbrush and your health. Do not share toothbrushes, not even with family, because bacteria can easily spread between people. Replace your toothbrush every 3 months, or sooner if the bristles are worn. Old toothbrushes carry more germs and clean less effectively. Think of your toothbrush like your spoon. Would you eat with a spoon that has been exposed to toilet droplets? No, so why use such a toothbrush in your mouth? Your health does not start in the hospital. It starts in your home. A clean toothbrush is not a luxury. It is a public health necessity. Afro Health Bridge, connecting health, culture, and everyday living.